Hi everyone, myself Dr. Shweta Patil. I am glad to be here with Skill Ayurveda. Today I am going to speak on a medical instrument, that is slit lamp biomicroscope. Slit lamp biomicroscope is an essential instrument in day-to-day practice of ophthalmology. Who has invented this slit lamp biomicroscope is a Swedish ophthalmologist, Oliver Gallstrand, who dates back from 1862 to 1930, has invented this wonderful ophthalmic equipment. This slit lamp biomicroscope has got two elements, that is slit lamp and a biomicroscope. Slit lamp is the one which uses a high intensity light for the examination of the eye, and biomicroscope which allows or which enables the examiner to observe the living tissues of the eye under magnification. Apart from the magnified view, the slit lamp biomicroscope allows for quantitative measurement and also for the photography of the each and every part of the eye. The parts which can be examined through slit lamp are the eyelids, conjunctiva, sclera, cornea, iris, the aqueous, the natural crystalline lens, and the behind one up to anterior vitreous we can examine through slit lamp biomicroscope. The working principle of slit lamp biomicroscope is that it uses a slit beam for the viewing of the eye, the structures of the eye. The slit lamp makes a thin beam of light, that is a bright light, which will be focused onto the examining part of the eye, and that will be magnified under the microscope. And the slit lamp, all about the slit lamp will be discussed under the headings of the parts and functioning of the slit lamp, the patient positioning, the illumination compartment or the different types of illuminations, and anterior and posterior segment examinations. In this video, we are discussing about the parts and functions of the different parts of slit lamp biomicroscope. The parts have been categorized into three systems. The first system is the observation system, and the next is illumination system and mechanical system. One by one we shall see the parts and its functions in my slit lamp biomicroscope. This AIA11 slit lamp model with a LED lamp. In Hack Street type of slit lamps, the light housing will be at the top of the device, which you are seeing now, and in Zeiss type the light housing will be at the base. Now binocular eyepieces which provides a stereoscopic vision. These can be adjusted for interpupillary distance of the examining eye by this kind of rotation movements, and through focusing ring the refractive error of the examining eye can also be adjusted. Now this is magnification element through which one can magnify the part under the examination. 3-step magnification I have. Up to 100x magnification some slit lamps can accommodate. Now it is illumination system. This part is light housing where we have LED lamp inside, tilted mirror through which the light can be focused onto the examining eye. The height and the width of the slit beam can be adjusted. This lever or this knob is for the adjustment of slit width. According to the examining eye, the slit width can be adjusted. This instrument has got some colored filters: cobalt blue filter, green filter that is red free, and back to white light. Through this system we can change the filters. And now this is a slit height adjustment knob through which one can adjust the height of the slit beam. This is a slit beam height changing knob. Now mechanical system. Chin rest which can be adjusted vertically. Head rest, that is forehead rest. And this marking is canthal alignment. After each patient, the chin rest paper can be changed. This is for fixating the patient, the handles. The patient can hold these knobs, and this is fixation target which can be moved anywhere to fixate the examining eye. This is joystick arrangement. The movement of microscope and illumination system towards and away from the eye and from side to side is achieved via joystick arrangement. The side to side movement, front and back movements towards and away from the examining eye, and it moves on a smooth base, friction free base. This is on and off switch. These movements are for illumination control. The illumination can be from 2 into 10 to the power of 5 lux to 4 into 10 to the power of 5 lux. This knob is for measurement of the slit beam. The slit beam can be measured to quantify any lesions or any parts of the eye which is under the examination. The lesions can be measured, the width of the lesion, the height of the lesion, the depth of the lesion can be seen and measured and even photographed through this slit lamp biomicroscope. These are some more images for parts of the slit lamp. This is slit lamp as a whole. Slit lamp can be used for diffuse or focal illumination of the eye to be examined. The illumination system and the observation system can be swung 180 degrees side to side. This is everything about slit lamp parts and its functions. Thank you so much for being with the Skill Ayurveda channel. Please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and forward to the needy people. Thanks a lot for being with us.